In St. Johns County, the trial of a man accused in a double murder back in 2015 is now underway. James Colley Jr. could face the death penalty after police say he murdered his estranged wife and her friend. First Coast News reporter Juliette Dreyer joins us live tonight with the details.
Anthony, this is a rare type of case here in St. Johns County. The double murder of two mothers, a death penalty trial. I just got out of the courthouse here about 10 minutes ago, and as you can imagine, with this death penalty trial scheduled to start in less than a month, there were a lot of things that both the prosecution and the defense had to go through. But one of those big things was a defense motion. The defense wanted to not allow evidence about why James Colley was in court on the morning of the shooting. Colley, of course, was in court that morning in August 2015, pleading no contest to violating a protective order against his estranged wife, Amanda Colley, one of the victims in that double murder. According to court documents, Amanda Colley claimed that in the initial protective order that James Colley had burned her clothes in the yard and threw an object at her. But the defense argued that introducing that evidence about why, again, Colley was in court that morning would violate his right to a fair trial. Well, the judge granted that motion as it pertains to the state's case in chief. That's saying that the primary case that the state plans to lay out. However, it's important to note the state can revisit that information as to why Colley was in court again that morning of the shooting because of the violation of the protective order if it becomes relevant during the trial, like during the rebuttal. As for the trial itself, it's scheduled to start July 9th. Again, it is a death penalty case, and today the defense, also outlined a special rule that they wanted to say to the jury. They wanted the jury to hear if they were to decide between the death penalty or life in prison if they were to return a guilty verdict. So tonight at 6, I'll tell you what that special rule was and how the judge ruled. Reporting live at the St. Johns County Courthouse, Juliette Dreyer, First Coast News on your side.